Reality check, you know what I mean? Street lights, innit? Dookie. Scorpion. Yeah. When I was young, I used to dream of being rich. Having a lot of houses and cars, couldn't know which one was which. And finding me a chick and getting hitched. Living the fairy tale life, perfect without a glitch. You think that this will bring me happiness? If at the end of every rainbow there was a treasure chest. Sometimes having more is really less. Take a look inside yourself, you realize you're really blessed. No matter how you're sad and blue, there's always someone who has it worse than you. Sometimes you gotta pay your dues, so don't worry, just push on through.
Keeping it real.
Gotta big up all my peoples who be working on the future, though they know they gotta struggle.
Keeping it real.
To all my homies working on the 9 to 5 and doing right to keep themselves up out of trouble.
Keeping it real.
Although sometimes I know it seems impossible, there ain't no need in drowning in your sorrow.
Keeping it real.
If things are as bad as they can be, you could be sure there'll be a brighter tomorrow. All the harsh realities appears to come in 2s and 3s. Don't worry, cause there'll be a better day. One thing I can promise you, just keep on keeping on. I swear to you, there's gonna be a brighter day. That's right, salute. Yeah. Give thanks we have, you know. How when you think that is bad, there's always somebody that's worse, you know what I'm saying? Give your blessings, you know. Wah wah, wah wah.
Alright, not just yet, before we get to Fia.
We have
Yes.
our art exhibit. As you can see, they're bringing it right here. Christian Scoofius Many, our local artist from Long Beach. He has been drawing all day. He is an internationally known artist. Can you believe that? That is so incredible.
Amazing.
LA and OC. And he has been for CSULB Pacifica Voice in 2015. And Scoofius has been recognized in exhibitions all around the state and local galleries in LA and in OC. So know that there are so many things that we are capable of. And we would like Christian, oh hi, there you are. Just a few words to tell us about your artwork today. That would be amazing.
What inspired you, and just give us a kind of into your mind and your brain on how you created this piece.
Thank you, Lulu. Thank you. Thank you guys for having me. These pieces were inspired by us, by our story, by our families, by our ancestors. If you can see, there's one piece where there's a Tamaloa holding his 2 children on his back. That's a tribute to our fathers and mothers who work so hard. A tribute to you who work so hard for your children. And this is our why, this is our story. And then the other piece is a tribute to us here in California. As you see, we Samoans that traveled across the ocean, seeking a better life, more opportunities. And the ocean is our pathway to get to this dream, to this future, to this better life, this California dream. So this is a tribute to all of you, from me, and why this is special to me is because it's my story as well. And I mean it with love. And to top it off, the one about the parents was created by the hands of children in my booth. We worked all day. And thank you for all the children to stop by and create this tribute for our families. So yeah, I'll love.
One more time, give it up for Christian.
Thank you so much. Yes, that's incredible.
I always like to be all my P's and Q's, and I don't want you to miss nothing nice that we can do for you.
Like,